Hello student, we have learned up to this formula of find the length of the arc element, which is given by ds square is equal to dx square plus dy square plus dz square. This formula is applicable for 3D Cartesian coordinate. We're going to use same formula to find arc length of element in cylindrical coordinate system. In cylindrical coordinate system, dx is written as dr cos theta minus r sin theta d theta. dy is written as dr sin theta plus r cos theta d theta, and dz is equal to dz. So to find arc length in cylindrical coordinate system, we're going to put dx, dy and dz value in above equation. That's why ds square is equal to, now instead of dx we will write this one. So ds square is equal to dr cos theta minus r sin theta d theta bracket square plus second term is dy, and dy is equal to r sin theta r plus r cos theta d theta. So dy is equal to dr sin theta plus r cos theta d theta bracket square plus dz square, dz is equal to dz. Okay, so let's go for first bracket. First bracket is nothing but a minus b bracket square. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a is dr cos theta, so dr square cos square theta plus b square. B is what? B is equal to r sin theta d theta. So plus r square sin square theta d theta square minus 2ab minus 2 dr cos theta r sin theta d theta. This is for first bracket. Now let's open second bracket. Second bracket is nothing but a plus b bracket square. So a plus b bracket square is equal a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square, here a square is a dr sin theta. So dr square sin square theta plus r square cos square theta d theta square, which is a b square, like b square, plus 2ab. 2ab means dr sin theta r cos theta d theta, and dz square. Dz square is as it is, dz square. So now dr square, we are going to put dr square common. This one is dr, this one is dr. Okay, so let's put dr common, which is equal to dr square. Here dr is with cos theta square, cos square theta, plus here dr is sin square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, now second term r square and d theta square. This term, these two terms, we can put it common. We can put this r square d theta square over here and over here. We can make it common. So plus r square d theta square. Rest of the thing we will keep in bracket, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta. Now here this term is 2 minus 2 dr cos theta r sin theta, which is equal to 2 dr sin theta r cos theta. There is a sin theta over here, there is a sin theta over here. There is a dr over here, dr over here. 2 is over here, 2 is also here. And cos d theta is also here, cos d theta is also in both terms. One term is negative, another term is positive. That's why this term 2 dr sin theta r cos theta will get cancelled with this term. Okay, and what is remaining now? Remaining is plus dz square Okay, now dr square plus cos square theta plus sin square theta in bracket, which is equal to 1. That's why we need to write only dr square. Here r square d theta square. Here again sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we don't need to write it. Then third one is a dz square. That's why ds square, that's the square of the arc element. The square of the arc length is equal to dr square plus r square d theta square plus dz square in cylindrical coordinate system. In cylindrical coordinate system. That's it. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.